Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices on the same network because that's how discovery works. This prevents endless searching. Power on the TCL, open settings, and enable screen mirroring or Chromecast built-in. This makes the TV visible. On your phone or laptop, turn off VPNs and pause large downloads so packets move quickly. You want low latency. Once done, open the casting option on your device and search for the TCL name. If it appears, tap to start the handshake. That's the first actionable step. Now you learn how to complete the connection. Choose the TCL from your Cast, AirPlay, or SmartView list. This triggers a pairing request on the TV. You must accept that prompt. Sometimes a PIN appears on screen, so type it into your phone or laptop to authorize. Adjust resolution and orientation in your device's display settings so the image fills the TV without distortion. If you're mirroring a video, enable hardware acceleration if available. This reduces lag and keeps audio and video in sync. To finish, verify the stream. Play a short video and listen for audio coming from the TCL. You want lip sync and smooth frames. If you see stutter, stop casting and restart the cast sequence. This often clears transient issues. Make sure both devices are close to the router or switch to 5 GHz for less interference. If problems persist, reboot the TV and router. Only then consider resetting the TV's network settings. A single reliable tip. Switch bands or reboot. Most issues vanish with those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.